The release product process lets users in an enterprise push product definitions to various legal entities. By releasing a product or product master, you associate it with a legal entity and authorize the product definition for use in that legal entity. Before a product master can be used on a transaction, such as a sales order or a purchase order, the product master and one or more of its variants must be released to each legal entity. That is, if the configuration technology is set to be predefined variants. When you are releasing products, many combinations of products, product masters, product variants, and legal entities can be released at the same time. For example, you can release single products or multiple products. You could also release a single product variant or multiple product variants, and you can choose a single legal entity or multiple legal entities. You release a product by using the Release Product button on any of the product-related list pages or detailed forms. Let us release the t-shirt and baby t-shirt that we created earlier. All right, let's start by going into Product Information Management and take a look at the products that we created earlier. I'll use the All Products and Product Masters screen. We'll do a search to pull up those shirts. Here you can see the baby t-shirt that we created in our first example. Over on the right-hand side, you can see that this particular product is already released to the USMF company. That's because I created it from the Released Products form while I was connected to the USMF company. If we take a look at the t-shirt with graphic, you'll notice that it is not authorized by any companies. So, what I'm going to do first is create some product variants. Earlier, you saw me create the different sizes and colors, small, medium, and large, and red, white, and green. So, we'll make the variants and then release them. To make the variants, you'll click the Product Variants button in the Product Master group of the action pane. Here, you can manually create the variants, but I'm going to use the Variant Suggestions button to speed up this process. This will open up a screen where you can see all possible combinations of the sizes and colors. I'm going to select all combinations and then click Create. This has created all the combinations of sizes and colors that are possible with small, medium, and large, red, white, and green. I can update the descriptions either manually or by using the Generate Descriptions button in the action pane. Here you can see the description has been updated to green and large. Now that we've created the variants, I'm going to go ahead and release this product to a few companies. The product release process is done by clicking Release Products. This will open a new screen. On the right-hand side, you can see all of the product variants for the product that I have selected. Next, I need to select the companies that I want to release this product to. So I click Select Companies on the left link, and then I'm going to mark the checkboxes for each company that I want to release it to. I'll mark a few companies, making sure to include USMF, which is the company I'm connected to. When you click OK, the system will attempt to release these. If you're releasing a large amount of items, you may want to consider running this in batch mode, as it can be a time-consuming process. Because we only have 2 items, I'm just going to release it by clicking OK. Now that the product is released, if we refresh the screen, you'll notice, while I've got my t-shirt with graphics selected, it has been released to USMF and USP2. If we want to go take a look at that product, we can do it by going back to Product Information Management and opening the Released Products form. Here you can see there's my t-shirt with graphic. If an error is received while you're releasing a product, there's a special screen that you can use in the periodic folder called Open Product Releases. Anytime a product is unable to be released, an error message will be received, and you can use this screen to view and correct any issues and attempt to re-release the product. Now that you have seen the process for creating a new product and releasing it, let's move on to how to finalize it in the next lesson.